the Baking Diva. I have been going like a hamster on a wheel trying to get these last few fun recipes out to you before Thanksgiving in case you want to make them. And Thanksgiving now is only 2 days away, so we're cutting it close. Yesterday I made and posted for you these delicious chocolate caramel turkey legs, and they were so yummy and so delicious, and I'm going to put the link to the video down below for you. Well, today I'm making you an oldie but goodie, just in case maybe some of you haven't seen it. And if you have kids, they can surely help you on this. We are going to make Nutter Butter turkeys. That's right. And I love to make these fun things because I like to put out a platter, and I think presentation means a lot. And if you can put some fun things on there, it's really cute, and you'll get some applause. You'll have people say, "Oh, did you make those? Oh, how cute they are." So I am going to my daughter's, many of you already know, and I'm planning on putting some of these fun things I'm making on the dessert platter. Presentation is everything. So what do you say we get started? You're going to need a package of Nutter Butter cookies, and I have a package of those here. And you know, this is what Nutter Butters look like, the shape of them. And oh my gosh, you can make so many fun things with these Nutter Butters. I've seen them made for just about every holiday. I've seen them made into dogs. I've seen them made into baseball referees. I mean, there's something about the shape of these that you can do a lot with them. But what we're making today is super, super easy. Now, you're going to need your Nutter Butter cookies. You're going to need a package of either candy melts, chocolate candy melts, or you can melt down like your Nestle's chips. And I do it in the microwave. I do it in 30-second intervals, just to keep stirring it and checking on it so it doesn't burn. Because once you burn your chocolate, you're done. So you're just going to need your melted chocolate. I'm using milk chocolate. You're going to need some orange M&Ms. Now, unfortunately, maybe you can go on Amazon and buy them, but you don't have to bother. I bought a package of M&Ms and I took all the orange ones out. And then you're going to need some of these candy eyes. I happen to have had quite a few of them left over from when I made bunnies for Easter. But you can get them in Walmart in the cake and candy aisle, you know, where they sell the supplies. I'm pretty sure they have them in Michael's. I know there's a lot of stores. I think there's that Joann's fabric store. She has a cake and candy aisle. You can, and like craft stores, you can find them in those places. So basically, let me move this over here. The only other thing you're going to need is some red cookie icing. And I just have the little one here in a pouch. So what I'm going to do is, I have wax paper down here. I'm going to take my Nutter Butter cookie. I'm going to dip it halfway, right up until the indentation there, into the melted chocolate, just like that. And then I'm going to let the chocolate drip off. Hopefully you can see it here. There we go. So we're just letting it drip off there. You can hit it a little bit against the edge of your bowl if you want. So it's going to look like this. And I'm going to put it down here. And while the chocolate is still wet, I'm going to put my eyes on there. So I'm going to put the two eyes right on the top of the turkey. The wet chocolate serves as glue. So you have to put any embellishments on the chocolate while it's wet. So next I'm going to put an orange M&M on there, and I'm going to try to put it in there like standing up on its side like this, and I'll give you a close-up. So when that, how cute, and when that chocolate dries and sets, that M&M will be attached to it. And the only thing I'm going to do, but I'm going to wait till I'm done with these, is I'm going to take my red icing. I cut off a little area of the tip, and I'm just going to do a little swirl right around the beak of the turkey. Because you know, what is that red thing they always have hanging there? I forget. So these are so easy to do. So you take your Nutter butter, you dip half of it into the chocolate, you let the excess drip off. These look so cute when you put them on a platter on your dessert table. And so many people love peanut butter, including me. So let me bring my eyes over here. I have 2 yellow eyes left over from Easter. They're big. I think I'm gonna put 2 of those on there just for fun. We'll have, this will be like the king turkey with the big eyes. Oh yeah, how cute. And then I'm gonna take one of my orange M&Ms and put it on its side just like this and have it stand up. So cute. So I am going to make these for you off camera. And then as soon as that chocolate is set a little bit, we're going to do that squiggly with the red icing. I'm going to put them on a platter, show you what they look like, and of course I'm going to do a taste testing. So don't go away. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Here's all the little turkeys set out on the wax paper for the chocolate to dry. And once it's dry, the eyes and the little orange beak will stick to it, and then I'll put the little red squiggly on there, so stay tuned. Okay, I had all the little turkeys laid out on the wax paper and waiting for the milk chocolate to dry or to set. So that it's not completely set, but it's enough where I can use the red icing to put the little waddle on the turkey. That's what it's called, a waddle. So I'm just gonna go like this next to the orange M&M, which is the beak, and I'm just gonna do a little waddle that goes down like that. Here we go. So I want to just show it to you. I'm going to do most of these, of course, off camera. And then when they're completely dry, I'll come back and we'll do a taste testing. I did this one, and the cameraman told me I didn't make the waddle long enough. So this one is still very wet. I made that waddle a little bit longer. So I'll let you make the waddles any way you want. But at this point, well, there goes my grandfather clock, I'm gonna do all these red waddles next to the orange beaks off camera, and as soon as they're set, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna taste one. I'll put a nice still in the video for you, and you'll still have time to make them for Thanksgiving. So stay tuned. I'm gonna make a longer waddle now. Come on, little turkey. There you go. I think that waddle is just fine. Do another one. Okay, they're all done. They have their waddles in place, and they're all ready to go out onto the dessert platter. Tell me, don't they look adorable? And I mean, kids can help you make them. So I guess I'm going to do a taste testing now. So let me put this dish down and see which one I want to eat. Should I eat the big guys with the yellow eyes? No, I don't want to do that. Let me see. I'll just take a little bite of this one. I think I'm going to bite off his head. Here goes. He's going to be headless. Mmm. 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 If you like Nutter Butters and you like chocolate, well, this is the best of both worlds. So anyway, give them a try. I think you're going to enjoy it, and you still have time to get out to the store and buy what you need. So thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you. Have a happy and blessed Thanksgiving. Love you all, and I'll see you very soon. Toodles!